My video guide is about removing the new adware type application that is called SampleFormat. First of all, keep in mind that this particular adware attacks Mac computers only, and it specifically affects Mac browsers such as Safari, Google Chrome, and Firefox. However, based on our research, mainly it attacks Safari browser though. SampleFormat adware is from the adload family. It starts displaying the great portion of intrusive advertisements which are not related to the sites that you visit. These ads are not really decent, and often they may point you to many shady and deceptive pages in the internet. Because of that, your computer may be infected even more dramatically. If you see this adware called SampleFormat in your Mac computer, you should go to your Finder, go check your applications, look for this application called SampleFormat, right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you find any other suspicious programs, get rid of them. I would also recommend that you investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place, by the way, to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, download the installer, install the program, and then begin researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will be in the trial mode initially, but even the trial version has got several free features. Click on Start Combo Scan button. Before, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. The free features in the trial mode are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. So you need to wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner is successfully accomplished in order to see the detailed report about the condition of your computer in general. Combo Cleaner antivirus works very well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, ransomware, browser hijackers, fake system optimizers, and other threats. So some time will pass after the scanning by Combo Cleaner is successfully completed. Then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations on the system. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your system always protected.